So you don't have no issues. All night long, this is song I'm gonna treat you right.
Hey guys, so I just finished working out and I got this package from Beachbody. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it on camera. And this is the fitness program that I've been doing, the Beachbody Nutrition Guide. The meal containers, these are smaller than I expected. Tiny portions. All good. My tracker, and this is to track my meals. And I think, okay, so it's to track my meals and to track the amount of water that I'm drinking. I got a shaker bottle. I thought it came with like the little shaker thing in the middle to like shake it up. I don't know. And then here's the Shakeology shake, and this is vanilla flavored. So I'm gonna have this today. That's all that's in the box.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right.
Okay, it doesn't taste bad. It's actually sweet, but I can feel some grainy stuff with it, so I'm just gonna put it back one more time.
And I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
Look at that poor freaking job. And the holes from down here. And that's how they did them. Yeah, that's a poor job. So I'm just gonna wipe them down. Ain't my property. As long as it doesn't fall again, is what your girl cares about.
Some type of way, I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say.
Morning guys, today's Monday the 24th and carpet is back in. Kind of rough, but it's in. So I started putting some stuff back in. I put my suitcase in. I put this craft bin. I think I'm gonna see if I can find a replacement at IKEA, something more durable. Then I put my shoe rack here, so I'm gonna try to put my shoes here. And down over here I have a lot of like church dresses and stuff, and then over here I have like rompers, like long rompers, dresses, casual stuff. Then over here I have shirts. I try to do them from light to dark, so I have these light white shirts over here. Everything is short sleeve, and then I have a few black and mixed, and then denims over here. So I got to reorganize that a little bit more. And then down here I have a lot of blazers and like sweaters that I don't really wear that often. So that's that. I have my suitcase. I put my swimwear in my suitcase. Who knows when I'll be going to the beach. Then on this rack I have my purses. Right below the bags I have like my winter jacket and my pea coat just folded up tightly in that corner. because I can't really fit anything else in that corner, and I don't need that stuff right now. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this shelf. This is like hairs and wigs and braiding hair and stuff in this container. I need to replace this container as well. This box I need to return. And then I have my shoe rack here. I'm going to condense a lot of my shoes, so the shoe rack should be just enough. So yeah, that's the closet for now. Bag full of stuff that I'm going to donate. I'm going to try out changing my desk to fit against this wall, and hopefully I'll just feel more free. Alright guys, so the sun is going down. Did move the desk over here, clear up a lot of my makeup stuff, get it situated, and I have my camera here still, and then I have these two boxes here, which is probably where they're gonna stay. Just folded down, still not blocking the light. Let me just show you guys the closet real quick. So I actually finished my water for the day. Yay me. 7:24 right now. Here's how the closet looks. So I have the sweaters on this side, pillows and comforters over here. And then up top I have basically sheets and towels stuff, extra hanger space. On this shelf I decided to put like my workout clothes, so it's very accessible to me. This pile is just like workout t-shirts or t-shirts that have stains and stuff in it that I don't really care about. Over here are my sports bras, over here are my workout pants, over here just my jeans. And over here are like hand towels, what I use when I'm working out. Of course the clothes I already showed you guys before. I added the backpack on top of the clothes that don't really fit right now but I can't get rid of. So that blue container, just disregard that. I'm gonna try to find a replacement for it hopefully tomorrow. And then on top there in the corner I have my purses and stuff. I'm gonna try to get like a deeper container to put those in, and then my shoes like I showed you guys earlier. Then in this corner, this is stuff to return. I'm gonna return that to Ulta. It's TGIN rose water line stuff that gotta go. Did not work for my hair. So we're gonna do the unboxing in the closet because my lighting in the bedroom is pretty bad. I have no ceiling light, so I'm just trying to get this tape off. Okay, Crayon case, y'all. So can you guys see me? Alright, so I got the brush. A lot of makeup artists I see use this brush for concealing under the eyebrows. I also got Sharp Me. Supposed to be a white eyeliner. Alright, maybe I'll open it out after. So white one, this one is Sharp Me. They're both Sharp Me. I thought I got two different kinds. Okay, I got three. Alright, so I got the white one and the black one, and the Sharp Me, it's eyeliner. And I also got Line Me liquid liner. Okay, so it looks just like a permanent marker. This one I can try out real quick. Oh, it's a screw tab. Damn, nice and smooth. It's a fine point liquid liner. Then I have the famous palette, the matte book. Packaged really nicely. Here's how the inside looks. All the colors. Very super colorful. Yep. So excited. I'm not buying any more like palettes. I think I'm palette out. So here's the concealer. Trying to turn it. I think I'm supposed to turn it. Or am I just supposed to squeeze? Oh, that's a lot. So I guess it's a squeeze. The color looks like it's gonna work for me. I'm trying to suck some of it back up. Not trying to waste nothing. Yes, it looks like a nice under eye concealer shade for me. Here is soaking wet, y'all. And by the way, it's 10 o'clock at night. I don't know why your girl is always doing her hair so late, but whatever. Alright, later. Y'all, so I definitely couldn't just end the vlog like that. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I truly appreciate it. You guys rock, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I feel flame. All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down.